I need a mirror. Because otherwise I'm going to cry halfway through this. And lips out because my lips are looking chapped. I have not moisturised my face. Excuse me 1 minute. Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. Hello my darlings and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be attempting another challenge video. So this one is going to be my makeup done in 10 minutes. There is somebody laughing behind the camera right now.
I forgot to breathe back in, so I was just trying really hard to stay still and because you were talking. Okay.
Anyway, so I've got a load of products ready. I've got primers, I've got setting sprays, foundation, concealer, blah, 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 blah. He's going to have the timer behind the camera and he's going to tell me how I'm doing. I'm probably going to do awfully. I did film this once and it went awful. Like, it was just so bad. But we'll see what it comes out like, I suppose. Right, well, can you set the timer, please?
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Morphe setting spray thing for a little bit of primer because I don't have time to rub stuff in. We're going to grab the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate foundation on a Real Techniques. That's a lot of foundation on the Real Techniques complexion sponge. I need this all over my face. I don't care what it looks like right now. It can blend out later. All wrinkles. Oh. Go on, girl. Yeah, the first time I did this, I managed to get my face base done and my eyebrows done, and that was it. Never got round to eyeshadow and stuff like that. What am I on now?
You're still only on 9 minutes 10.
Oh, fabulous. That's a lot better than I did at the first time.
Sorry?
The first time. Oh, this is going to be patchy as hell, but unfortunately, with a 10-minute time restraint, this is what we have to deal with. Right in the nostrils. Oh, this is... Which shade did you give me? F2. Oh, this is supposed to be a lighter shade, but it looks quite dark on camera. For me.
It's fine.
Yeah, I'm sure it's fine. What, we can't worry about it now, can we?
8 minute 30 there.
Oh. Towel. She's a lovely girl. Concealer. L'Oreal Infallible shade 323 Fawn. I need a mirror, Dana, not the monitor. Oh. Wow. That looks like the stadium logo.
With 8 minutes left.
Rude. Okay. Chinny chin chin. And the forehead, I know we don't need to highlight much of it because there's a lot there, but you know, when in Rome. Oh my god. Fat
Yeah, it's best.
I beg your pardon. What did you say?
It says 7.5 minutes left.
Oh, okay. I thought you said someone at their best, and I was like,
No.
oh, that will be bleeped in the video. Yeah, girl. We're gonna say you said flapping like a bird. That's what we're gonna say. What? How much left?
What?
How much left?
It's 7 minutes 10. It's not going as fast as you think it is. Not at the moment.
Oh, the last time
Yeah.
it did, it disappeared. Elf setting powder, translucent, HD, whatever it's called. I can't look it up right now. She's busy. I'm going to apply it with the sponge, just all over my face, because I found that applying powder with the sponge makes my face look less cakey. Crazy, considering the amount of rubbish that I put onto it. It's just a nice tip. For people who have oilier skin, like I do, that's what you should do. Don't do brushes because you'll take the product off your face or move it around or make it streaky and it's just not cute. Oh, it's gone up my nose. And there's hair on my face. Where's the hair? I know that's not a very good use of my time, but what can you do? Oh.
6 minutes there.
Okay, 6. That's chill. Considering we've done like nearly the whole base in 4 minutes, that's cute. MAC bronzing powder, the favourite. We're going to make an exception to the rule here. Here's a brush. Because I can't apply bronzer with a sponge. I can blend it out with a sponge afterwards, but the main putting down of the bronzer needs to be done with a brush for me.
Don't you like contribute to and speeches? You know?
I'm not having that
use a
name.
brush. Use a brush.
I'm not having that name on my channel. Absolutely not. We're going to bleep that as well. Because I will not be associated with that.
God,
Absolutely.
Loose.
I think that's the least of my worries right now.
Oh dear. Halfway through!
Oh my god. I'm going to cry. Okay.
That'll be the most I've done in a couple of weeks.
A bit of wood. Contour the nose like this because it's a quick game. Oh, that took off some of my stuff. Blush. It's a PS blush actually, which is a crazy cuckoo. Another brush. Just let's pretend I didn't say anything about not using brushes because I'm using them, and we're not going to cry about. I look like a little pixie right now. How much time? Sorry.
4 minutes 15 seconds.
Left?
Mm-hmm.
This is how you look. Doesn't that look so much better than that side?
Yes.
I don't need these reeds while I'm trying to do a challenge. Oh, that nose is without screwed. Eyeshadow, if I can get into it. This is the Steve Laurent little 9-pan thing that I had from one of my subscription boxes. I will put the link in the box above. We're just going into the brown shade. The brown shade in the corner, the dark one, this one. Because it's a quick eye look, we just need something on the eye, at least. What's the time?
3 minutes 20 remaining.
Okay.
Not like the
Well, can we stop with the political jabs? Because this is not a political channel. We're here to escape political agendas. Not
Were you going to call it like politicals? Instead of politics.
I don't know what you're chatting about. God, that looks like rubbish. We're gonna grab it the orange shade here, just on a finger, on a little fingy. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it would be nice if it actually blended all over my eye. You know, what's time?
2 minute 30.
Oh my lord! And I've still got brows, lashes, and lips.
Good luck.
That's cute. Get on there. Jesus Christ. Eyeliner can go south. We'll go for mascara. We're using the X Factor, the Max Factor False Lash Effect, just to give it them some volume. That's cute. I've got to be really like. Oh. Wait until you zoom in. It's going to be a mess. Time.
Just gone 1 minute 30.
Shut up. Oh my god. My life. Oh my lord.
Danny, you shouldn't rush your makeup.
If I break this mirror because of you, there will be severe consequences. Brows? Should we attempt brows? Yeah, let's grab a quick.
Or whatever you can do in 1 minute, since that's what you've got left.
Yeah, no, come on. This ain't gonna go nowhere. Oh, I love this little beauty mark that I've got going on by my eye. Did I actually bring lipstick? I didn't bring lipstick. Pause the video.
No, 38 seconds.
Well, hurry up. Grab me a lipstick. Oh my god. She can do a little bit of blending while she's there. Oh, highlight.
I grabbed such a bad one.
I don't care. Oh, bright orange. Okay.
20 seconds.
Oh my god. Girl,
10, 9,
where's my highlighting
8,
brush?
7,
This
6,
fixes everything.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Oh, go away. Stay still.
I'm really gonna cry. Like that side, the highlight doesn't look bad, but look at those lips. Look at them. Oh. What are your thoughts and opinions?
You've got like
Gentle.
no. You look like you've been PG. You look like you've been smelling the snow trail.
What the hell is
You
a
look like
snow
you've been
trail?
sniffing.
I look like the Tin Man.
Can you like someone
That
saw
highlight's
your
popping.
eyes and literally just
Cried.
craving a Terry's chocolate orange? Those lips look like you have been into those
Awful.
Wotsits over and over for the last 6 hours.
Awful. Can we try and like...
Aren't you happy?
No. There is nothing in this world. It's just getting worse. It's just getting worse. Oh, and I've got like messy. Yeah, this was not a great choice of lipstick, Ilya. I could have done something fabulous. I mean, the base is not bad. Like, that bronzer and blush is not bad. The only thing that lets it down is is this little dot here. What a mess. That highlight is
Poppin'.
No, it poppins. That. Oh. Where's the foundation gone? Where?
Yeah,
She's
your nose as well got
left.
really red. Like earlier.
Yeah, well, I did pop some powder on top of it, but my god.
Do you see what I mean? Like how white that is, how shimmery.
It's a silver highlight, so if I show you. Ooh! That's like, it's this one. Do you know what I didn't do?
Dana, the time is...
I didn't set it. I want to forget it. I don't want to set it. I just want to forget it. Apart from this highlight's like...
You were going to say, you said highlight, didn't you? This highlight is open. Those lips. All I can think is Velma Realness.
Velma.
She's quaking.
I
am
am...
ghosts that are spooking her. Jinkies.
No product placement, but that's the colour palette today.
Giving you work at home realness. What does that even mean?
I'm not working at home. Right, well, I'm going to call that a day. I'm going to say that was really successful. Don't mind my hair. She's long. It's quarantine. I had 10 minutes to do this face and look what I did. Did you enjoy yourself, Ilya?
Yes. We've got a much better challenge later, so...
We do, yeah. That'll be uploaded after this video. This video I'll come first, but my goodness. If you can do your makeup in 10 minutes, be my guest. Show me. Tag me. Show me what it looks like. Because I can't. As you can see. Right, well, that's it. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please do consider becoming a member of the house. You can look like this. And subscribe to the channel.
In less than 12 minutes.
Well, this video is 20 minutes already. Shook. So that's it. That's it. We're done. We're done for today. Until later when we've got to film another video, but my God. Right. Take care and stay tuned.